Want to create this paper rip transition in Premiere Pro? Let me show you how in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, duplicate your second video and right-click on it, choose Frame Hold Options, and freeze the first frame. Then move it slightly to the left so it overlaps the end of your first clip, and trim away the rest. Next, right-click the frozen frame and nest it. Now select the Object Mask tool, click on your subject, and start the tracking process. Once it's finished, right-click the mask layer and choose Change to Opacity Mask. This will separate your subject from the background, which is exactly what we need. Now place this paper animation underneath the nested clip and trim off the unnecessary part. I've included the animation in the description below. Next, search for the track matte key effect and apply it to the paper animation. In the effect controls, set the matte to the nested clip above it. At this point, the first half of the transition should look like this. Now duplicate the nested clip one more time. And duplicate the paper animation above it as well. Trim both layers. And remove the track matte key effect from the duplicated paper animation. This time, apply the track matte key effect to the nested clip instead, and set the matte to the paper animation above it. We're basically creating the exact opposite of the first setup. And just like that, the first part of the effect is complete. Now duplicate your second video again and use the Object Mask tool to separate the subject from the background. Don't forget to right-click the mask and choose Change to Opacity Mask once again. Move this layer above, then place the paper animation between the two video clips. Press Ctrl+R, enable reverse speed, and remove the track matte key effect from the animation, since it already had that effect applied in the previous setup. The transition is almost finished, we just need a few final touches. Create an adjustment layer and set its duration to 4 frames by pressing Ctrl+R. Place it over the transition. Then apply the brightness and contrast effect. Add keyframes at the beginning. Move to the middle and set both brightness and contrast to 60. Then return both values to 0 on the last frame. Copy this adjustment layer over the second half of the transition as well. This creates a subtle flash effect that makes the transition feel much more dynamic. If you want to customize the look even further, apply the tint effect to the paper animation. I'll give mine a slightly purple color, I think it looks much better. You can copy the same tint effect to the second paper animation so both sides match. Finally, add this overlay on top of everything. In Lumetri Color, set the saturation to 0 to make it black and white. Then change the blend mode to soft light and lower the opacity to 50%. And that's it, your paper rip transition is finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more transitions like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe. I upload 2 new editing tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.